Hi, this is Matt Perry with Audiology Marketing Now, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a custom landing page for your Facebook page. What this will do is it'll allow people, when they first come to your site, they'll see an image, in this case, asking them to click the like button. After they click the like button, they'll be able to see whatever content you want them to see. So there's a bunch of different ways to make this happen. I like using an application called WooBox Custom Tab. It's one of dozens, if not hundreds, of applications that will permit you to do this. I'm not sure if it's the best, but it definitely works for what I need to do. So make sure you're logged in as yourself, and make sure you're an admin and that you've set up your Facebook page, of course. And then go to your page and click the search box up there and type in WooBox Custom Tab, and you can see it pops up for me because I've searched for it before, and that will take you to the install page. You want to click the install page tab, and then if you have more than one page, it will make you choose which page you want to install it to. Add static iframe tab, and then it is done. So it is installed. We now have an extra tab over there called Welcome. If you click on Welcome, it will take you to that tab. You have to allow it, allow the application to access your information. That's the way most applications work. And then once you've done that, you can see the settings for that Welcome tab. So we're on our Welcome tab. These are the settings for the Welcome tab. There are two things you want to pay attention to: the page source up top, which is what people will see after they click the like button, and then the non-fan page source, which is what they'll see before they click the like button. So let's say after they click the like button. Okay, here's another thing. If you don't know HTML, that's okay. I'm guessing most audiologists don't know HTML. So you can click the editor button, and this is just like Microsoft Word. So you can put whatever you want in here. Thanks for clicking like. Of course, you really wouldn't want to say that, but for our purposes that will work. And that's what they'll say after they click the like button. Now on the non-fan page source, I would suggest keeping it simple at first and just using an image, and that's what we're going to do for this tutorial. So I went ahead and created a special image, which is my logo with some text at the top asking people to click the like button, and I saved it on my hard drive. If you don't know how to do that in a photo editor or image editor, or you just don't want to, go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr, and you can get somebody to do that quite easily for $5 for you, and they will give you the file. So once you have that file, click on Image, and then browse your hard drive to find that image. And mine is in Documents. Amen. Bear with me here. Facebook Images, and there it is. Okay, so you browse for it, you click on it, and there it is. Okay, the rest of the stuff you don't really have to worry about right now. Go ahead and hit Save Settings. It will show you what your HTML looks like and your thumbnail of the image you just uploaded, which is good. Go ahead and click View Tab. Alright, now because I've already liked my own fan page, this is what I see. Thanks for clicking like. You can go ahead and click View as Non-Fan up here, and you can see what other people will see. And other people will see an image. And the image has to be a certain size. It says in the instructions when you upload the image, I believe. It has to be a certain size. I think it's 520 pixels. Yeah, 520 pixels by 650 tall or less. So I would just suggest making one that size. And you can see all I did here was I took my logo and then I added this content up here. I got a picture of that like button through searching for a Facebook like button on Google Images and just plastered it on there. So that's what people will see now. Now there's two more things I want to do. One is the first time they come to your site, by default Facebook sends them to the wall, which isn't the best place to start a relationship. So what we want to do is you go into your Edit Page button. If it's not there, make sure you're on your wall. Edit Page, and then in your settings, nope, not that. Yes, manage permissions. It says default landing page over here, and you want to choose welcome. Okay, it saved changes. Now, first time somebody goes to your site, they will then be sent to the welcome page, just like that. Of course, they'll see the image, just like that. Okay, now that that's set up, the last thing I want to do is I want to change the name of that welcome page. So in order to do that, go back into your Edit Page button right up there. Click on your Apps tab over there, and then it says Static iframe tab. You want to edit Settings, and then you can change the name of that tab. I'm going to change it to Fan Only Content. Okay, and that should be it. So simple as that. I would of course recommend having something a little bit more substantial than thanks for clicking like. After they click on it, and you can put whatever you want up there. You'll see here as soon as you do it, or you just did it, I guess, in order to see this video. You can add whatever content you want in there. So thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in to see our regular show, AudiologyMarketingNow.com.